Today I'm going to show you how to share the CD-ROM drive on one Silicon graphics machine with another over a network file system. This can be rather useful as there are quite a few Silicon graphics machines that don't possess CD-ROM drives, namely the Iris Indigo, the Indy, the Octane and the Octane 2. And the machines that I'm going to use in order to demonstrate this are my Tesro and my Octane 2. So I'm going to start off on the Tesro side, as the Tesro machine has the CD-ROM. I currently have the Octane demo CD inserted into the Tesro CD-ROM, and I want to share this with my Octane 2. So how I'm going to start off is I'm going to go into Unix root, and I'm going to open up the CD-ROM folder, and you can see that the Octane demo CD also shows up in this folder. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a reference of this folder and copy it to my desktop. And I'm going to right click on the folder and select share with network. Click next, and it's the CD-ROM drive. I'm going to use local access permissions and set it up as a temporary mount. Click OK. So this folder is now shared over the network. Before I move over to the Octane 2, I'm quickly going to go into System again, open System Manager, and open up the information concerning this system. And what's important to note is the IP address. The Tesro's IP address is 192.168.1.4, and I will need this in order to set up the network file system on the Octane 2 side. I'm now going to log into the Octane 2 to set up the network file system. So I'm going to log in as root. And on this machine, I'm going to go into System, File System Manager, and I'm going to select Mount Remote, Network File System version 3. I'm going to mount it as a temporary mount as well. And I'm now going to look for the Tesro. The Tesro's IP address is 192.168.1.4. So I'm going to type this in here. Okay, and it finds the Tesro CD-ROM. I'm going to click Next. I need to mount this file system onto a folder which is in my Unix root, so I'm going to open up Unix root. I already have created a folder called Tesro. So I'm going to mount the file system to this folder, so I'm going to type in /Tesro. Click Next. Say Read and Write. And click OK. And there we go. The network file system is now set up. I'm now going to go back into Unix root and look for the folder Tesro and make a reference of this folder and copy it to my desktop. And when I open the folder, the Octane demo CD appears within. So I'm now going to go ahead and attempt to install the Octane demos. I know I should get an error with this machine because it isn't fitted with one of the earlier graphic systems. It's fitted with the Odyssey V12, but I'm going to try nonetheless. So I'm going to go into System, Software Manager, open up the Tesro folder, and point the install folder within to the Software Manager. Click on Lookup, and Start. Okay, there is a conflict, and this is because my graphic system is not the MGRAS, and therefore I will not be able to install the Octane demos, but I will be able to install the Octane 2 demos. So I'm going to continue and start the installation. This is a bit of a pity, however, as I have had the Octane demos running on this machine before, so I'm going to have to find out how to get them put on the machine again. Okay, the installations are completed, so I'm going to exit. And I'm now going to look for the Octane 2 demo, so I'm going to go into Unix roots, user, demos, Octane 2, and I'm going to just run the one demo for you, clear codes. And there we go. The demo is up and running. This process can be used to share the CD-ROM on any Silicon Graphics machine. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching.